Hello darlings, hello, welcome back to my channel. How are you? I hope you're doing swell. I'm just kidding guys. What's up? Welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't filmed in a little bit, but I'm back. Hello, how are ya? I'm moisturizing you guys. Do not mind my pimples. I had a breakout and dumbass me thought, why not? Let's pick at it. And I thought it would look better. No, it looks worse. So I'm color correcting first, you guys. But anyways, I wanted to tell you guys, we are going to be jumping right into the video. We have something special, you guys, today. I am actually going to be doing a giveaway. So for the next 3 weeks, you guys, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. I'm going to be giving away 2 eyeshadow palettes, which is the mini James Charles palette, as well as I'm going to give 1 Morphe X Jeffree Star, the brush. The Jeffree Star eye brush collection, which is this one, you guys. It is beautiful. It's a 10-piece collection, you guys. It's quite a bit of money, but it's worth it, you guys. I have my own over here. This is mine, but you guys, I'm gonna be doing a giveaway, and you guys stay tuned. At the end of the giveaway, I will definitely let you know how you guys are gonna enter and to win. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that away, you guys. I am gonna use the I am gonna go ahead and use, did I say Jeffree for that? Uh-oh. Just in case, for the record, you guys, it's a James Charles palette, the artistry palette. You guys are gonna win one of this, so I'm gonna be giving one of these away in this video, you guys. So stay tuned, you guys better watch. As well as next week, I'm gonna be giving away one of these. For the next 3 weeks, I'll be doing a giveaway, guys. This giveaway is gonna actually start today, which is Wednesday, October 30th, and it will end on Sunday, this Sunday coming, you guys. The giveaway will start today. You guys can start entering today. What you guys have to do, you guys have to be subscribed to my YouTube channel, duh. You guys have to be following me on Instagram as well. You guys have to comment down below on my Instagram feud. Did I say feud? No, I'm not having a feud. On my Instagram feed, and tag 3 of your friends, okay? That's what y'all gonna do. You're gonna see a beautiful picture of me with this palette, right? Or it might be this palette, I don't know. I haven't took the picture yet. But you guys, anywho, you go to my Instagram, it'll have all the directions and the rules down below. Tag 3 friends, and then you guys, you are entered in the giveaway. So this will start today, which is Wednesday, October 30th, and it will end on Sunday, I will say 9 p.m. And then you guys will get a notification. I will DM you, so make sure your guys' Instagram is open, because I will be checking if you're subscribed. I will be checking if you're following me. So you guys better make sure that your guys' Instagram is unblocked, so meaning it's not private, so that way I can see you, that you're a real person. And then you guys, I will post it on my Insta story. Okay, you guys have 24 hours to reach back out to me. If you don't reach out back out to me, I will pick another winner. Let's go get into this video. I was looking at the palette and I was thinking, what can I do? What can I do? What can I do? What can I do? I am gonna go ahead and use the greens first. So this palette is well loved, okay? So I wanna go ahead and take this light green, okay? So I'm gonna take that green, and you guys, it was pigmented, hello. And we are gonna go ahead and apply it to our crease. Oh my God, I'm a little scared, but let's go right in. And you guys see, I did not set that eyeshadow base or the concealer, whatever the hell you want to call it, you guys. I did not set it, because when you set it, the eyeshadows don't stick as beautifully. Wow. Hello, vibrantness. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with this. And I'm really gonna be taking it all the way in the inner corner and putting it on the outer corner. And you guys, if you guys love me, go on my Instagram and tag James Charles, alright? Tag him because I want him to see my look. I want him to see my look. Hello. I gotta get noticed in this community. Hello. You've gotten fucking mad because you can't blend like me. I know. It's not my fault you're a fucking bitch. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and go in with this green shade, okay? Ladies and gents, we're gonna go ahead and take that green shade. Hello, look at that pigment on there. You guys can see the dark green on it. Hello. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna really get this shade right in the center. Right there. Ooh, look at that color. Let's see. Put that green and really build this green to what we want. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh. That's what I want. And we're gonna keep building, you guys, until we get that opaque and intensity that we are looking for. And I'm really going all the way in here, you guys. I'm not being scared. I wonder if I should tell you guys that I'm working on something I'm working on something. I'm gonna go in with a gel liner. And I'm gonna take my Sigma Wicked gel liner and I'm gonna put this on to my lid just a little bit. And the reason why is because I'm gonna put the blue on. So you guys, I'm gonna put this gel liner onto my lid. Hello, hello, hello. And then I'm gonna go ahead and apply the blue over top because I want that blue to really pop. Like I really want it to pop. Now, I need my packing brush. Where is it? We are gonna go ahead and take this blue shade, you guys, right here, which is this color right here. Oh yes. We're gonna take that shade and we're gonna pack it on to the lid, okay, guys? Oh. Oh, oh, oh. Bitch, look at that color payoff though. Look at that. And you guys are winning one? Oh my god. I have to change my plans because this is looking like a hot mess. I think because I didn't use this concealer last time, so yeah, whatever. So it's time for a quick crease. I'm going to be doing a quick crease, darlings. I'll be right back. This is the eye cut. I'm gonna go ahead and take this color, which is from Anastasia. This is their teal me more, or no, majestic teal glitter, you guys. That is from Anastasia. To use the glitter, I'm gonna go ahead and take my NYX glitter primer. I'm gonna go ahead and set that onto the lid, and then this is what I'm gonna be using for the priming. Wow, you guys, that is pretty. Go ahead and take a little pencil brush like this. I'm gonna go ahead and grab the green a little bit right here and pack this onto the outer corner. Oh wow. And then I'm gonna go ahead and jump right into the black a little bit, you guys. And I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit on the outer corner and wing it. Just like a hair amount, like literally like. And so I'm gonna go ahead and take the black, wrap her, and really just pack it on and blend it outwards. I'm gonna go ahead and take my liner and line my top line. You guys already know we're gonna go in with Fuckboy Lashes from Betty B. You guys already know. Fuckboy. Yeah, we're gonna go in dark. So let's go ahead and go in with my BUxom liner and Call Me. So this is like a pencil to gel liner, you guys, and I'm gonna go ahead and smoke out this lower lash with it. Oh yes. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take that blue color and pack that onto the lower lash line. Just go back into that blue shade. You guys, so I went ahead and applied some crystals. Oh wow. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use my dual lash glue, guys. 1, 2, 3. So I'm gonna go ahead and go 1, 2, and 3. Like that, you guys. And I'm gonna go ahead and go right here, go 1, 2, and 3. And then you guys see this glue is already starting to clear up, and so I'm gonna go ahead and just pat them on already. Oh yes. And go on the top. It's kind of hard to see where you left it. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put that big one on the outside. Little ones in the inner corner. Goes right there in the inner corner. There we go. The inner corner one. And then now we're gonna go in for the big one and we're gonna put that right there. There? Yeah, that's fine. Wow, so it looks like a shoom like this. Wow. I'm gonna go ahead and apply one like right there. One right there. Like that. Wow. Bitch. You guys, it looks so beautiful. I love the eyeshadow look with the James Charles palette. So you guys, if you guys want to go ahead and enter in the giveaway to win the James mini excuse me. So if you guys want to go ahead and win this palette and enter in the giveaway starts right now. You guys can go ahead and enter. There's only 3 rules. You guys have to be subscribed to my YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram, and then you guys got to comment on the picture that I post regarding the giveaway and tag 3 friends down below who love makeup, you guys. And that's the way you enter. I am gonna go ahead and finish this giveaway on Sunday, which is October the 3rd, November 3rd actually. So on November 3rd, Sunday, this Sunday that's coming up, the giveaway will end and I will be shipping the palette on Monday. So you guys, which is the 4th. So you guys, that's pretty much it. I will go ahead and notify you guys by DMing you and posting the winner on my Insta story. So make sure you guys are following me. That's the only way you guys are gonna know. I'll give you 24 hours to respond. If you guys do not respond within those 24 hours, I will pick another winner. You guys, for the next 3 weeks, I'll be giving one thing away. So I'm gonna be giving 2 palettes like this from the James Charles X Morphe. You know, unleash your inner artist. And I think I unleashed my inner artist today. Yeah, I did. So you guys, that's pretty much it, you guys. I love you guys so much for watching and tuning in. I hope you guys loved this artistic, really glammed out. You know, everybody's doing this crystal damn thing, but I gotta jump on the bandwagon and do it too, because you guys know I love how these shits like bling, bling, bling. Like, I love it. But anyway, guys, so that's pretty much it for this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe before you go. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, you guys. I love you guys. Stay safe and be well.